In this video, we're going to go over 4 examples where we compare fractions with different denominators. If you remember, the easiest way to compare fractions with different denominators is to perform what we call cross multiplication. If you aren't familiar with cross multiplication, don't worry, I have a video on it, and I'll drop a link to that video in the description. Cross multiplication just means you're taking the numerator of one fraction and multiplying it by the denominator of your second fraction, and vice versa. Here you will see 4 examples of fractions that you can compare. Pause the video and work them out for yourself. Then unpause and see if we get the same answer. Example 1. Which is greater, 2/3 or 3/10? Again, I'm going to focus on using cross multiplication because it's the easiest way to figure out which fraction is greater. We multiply 2 times 10 and we get 20. Remember to always put your answer next to the numerator that you are multiplying by. Next, we multiply 3 times 3 and we get 9. 9 goes by the numerator of our second fraction. We know that 20 is greater than 9, so 2/3 is greater than 3/10. Example 2. Which is greater, 5/7 or 10/15? We start by multiplying 5 times 15 and we get 75. Next, we multiply 7 times 10 and we get 70. 75 is greater than 70, so 5/7 is greater than 10/15. Example 3. Which is greater, 4/5 or 6/7? Let's multiply 4 times 7 and we get 28. We multiply 5 times 6 and we get 30. 30 is bigger than 28, so 6/7 is greater than 4/5. Last example. Which is greater, 2/6 or 3/9? We start by multiplying 2 times 9 and we get 18. We then multiply 6 times 3 and we also get 18. Both products are 18, so guess what? These fractions are equal or equivalent. So that's a wrap on comparing fractions with different denominators. Drop a comment below and let me know how you did. For more tutorials on math concepts, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.